In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to head over to google.com, and here I want you to type Epic Games. Once you've done that one, you should see here store.epicgames.com, and then down below there is a download Epic Games Launcher option. Go ahead and click that one, and then there you go. You can go ahead and download this one for Windows. I'm going to click this and then save it. After doing so, you're just going to have to wait for this one to be done. Now that it has been downloaded, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one in order for me to begin installing this. Now, if you want to change the default destination folder, go ahead and click this one and select the right one for you. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and click install, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wait for everything here to be done. Alright, after a couple of minutes of waiting, we are now here. So you can go ahead and click this one, and then you can go ahead and proceed signing in to your Epic Games. So that is how it works, everybody. I hope that helped you out.